Okay, 3-minute rundown of my RV power system, which I'm just upgrading to lithium batteries. Those are the Vatrer 460 amp hour. I've got 2 of those in parallel. Those are connected to the Lynx Shunt so I can monitor it. I also have the Victron 150/100 MPPT, the Cerbo, the DC XS, and the Multiplus II 3000 watt 2x120 inverter. So the reason I chose this particular inverter is because it will pass through 50 amps of an RV pedestal, which normally comes in at 240 volts. So I'll pass that directly through to my breaker panel, which has a 50 amp cutoff right here. Before it gets to the inverter to pass through, it has to go through this automatic transfer switch. So you can see over here on the right side, this would be shore power coming in. You've got your black and red hots, your white neutral, and that would pass straight through, which goes to the inverter, passes through the inverter, and then back to that main panel. Nothing in the RV actually runs on 240 volts. It's really just 2 legs of 120, but you get the advantage of the push-pull where you don't return as much power on the neutral wire. That's not the case, however, for the generator. The other side of this automatic transfer switch, the left side, is the generator input. It also shows 2 legs, a black and a red, but it has 2 whites returning because the black and the red are just 2 120s in sync, and so all of the current flows back through the neutral. Well, when the generator is running, it will only pass through 1 leg through the inverter. That's one of the inverter limitations. So if it's the black side, line 1, that would be only passing through line 1 from the generator, meaning I can only use half of the available generator power. So right now with the generator running, you can see I'm pulling 16 amps. That's just through line 1, the black leg. And we have a matching current coming back on the neutral. Now, since the onboard generator is 2 120s that are in sync, I actually tied the 2 legs together on the generator side of the transfer switch. That way it shares the power, so only half of the current is going through the left and the right side. So on my jumper wire, you can see only half of that total current is switching over from one side to the other, and then it doubles as it passes through that leg 1. Well, now that everything is tested, adjusted, all the settings are updated, firmware, I can get back to cleaning up this factory wiring. But this is a big upgrade. Lots of battery power, lots of solar, and lots of inverter.